Making a curved path in DreamPlan. Select the Path button on the Exterior tab and draw the edges of your path. Select the path and you will see a red handle at each point you clicked with your mouse when drawing the path, plus an additional pink handle between each pair of red handles. Left-click and drag either a red or pink handle to form a curved line. Continue watching for additional details on making a curved path. The Path tool is on the Exterior tab. When you click on it, the cursor will become a pen tool with a crosshair. Left-click with your mouse to start drawing your path. If you want more curves in your path, you will want to left-click more often as you outline the perimeter of your path. The edges will be straight as you make the initial outline. To close the path, click on the first point a second time. You will see a red handle on the perimeter in each place that you left-clicked. Between each red handle, you will see a pink handle. Clicking and dragging these handles will create your curves. A handle will turn green when you hover over it, letting you know that you are in the right position to left-click and drag. Curved paths are only limited by imagination. For example, if you want to make a simple snaking path, draw a rectangular path, making sure to add 2 extra equally spaced corners along each of the long sides. Now drag the first pink handle on the long side outward, the next inward, and the third pink handle outward. Then go along the other long side, dragging each pink handle in the same direction and distance as its opposite. Voila! You now have a simple snaking path. To make additional adjustments to your path after deselecting it, simply use the Select tool and click on it. The editing handles will reappear. To change the path style or color, select it, then click on the swatch in the Properties panel and select the new style or color. For more DreamPlan tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.